One of my worries was the keels. Good word. Gordon said that they wept a bit after you'd been sailing, but they didn't weep on the moorings. So you can see that some work has been done on them. So here we are. There's a tiny bit of water there, not much. I'd say none in here. There's some moisture. There's the strengthening bar. I think this is not, I think that's just paint coming off there. I don't think it's serious. In here, I'd say that was as dry as a bone. And there are some that are a bit harder to get at, which are in this cupboard under here. Okay, so you can see that. And there's a bit of condensation, and I think that's just because it's warm and moist in here, and those go down into steel plates which go down into the water. So I think that is just moisture coming in. Here's this strengthening member. You can see actually there's not much of a job to strengthening these keel bolts. I think apparently this has been done professionally rather than by an amateur, by Westerly themselves, I think. So that's a major worry avoided. I'm still moving stuff around and clearing things out, deciding what I need to keep and where to put stuff. So my plan is to have the electric cable and the hose in here. Trouble is there's not much in the way of cockpit lockers. There's only that stern locker, which is, because it's got the fuel in, pretty soon becomes disgusting, so there's just buckets and fuel in there. Fenders and warps are going to go in here. That is my plan. I've got to fix the bog. Just going to dismantle that in a minute. And it's underneath here there's a valve which isn't working properly. Yesterday the